Hi everyone, and welcome to the NECB eLibrary quick tutorial where we address the question, where can I get stock price data? And the database I'd like to direct you towards is the Mergent Online database available at the home page of the eLibrary. You'll find the link right over here on the right hand side. When you click on that, it'll bring you to the home page of the Mergent Online database, which is here. And let's just run a search quickly on Merck, M-E-R-C-K, pharmaceutical, major pharmaceutical company. Click on here. And here, if you click on equity pricing, you'll be brought to this page here, and you'll see there's a lot of options available to you as far as retrieving stock price data. It defaults to 3 years, but you can click on here and you can see you can retrieve a different time period. In fact, if their stock prices are available, you can go out to 30 years of daily stock price data. You have the option of choosing daily, weekly, monthly. You could, if you want, set a specific date period. You could, if you wanted to, compare it to indexes. So, for example, you could compare it to any one of these major indices from around the world. You could compare it to, say, the Standard & Poor's 500 here. And you could also, if you wanted, you could throw in another company. You could say, let's say I want to compare it to another major pharmaceutical company, Pfizer. So let's type in the symbol for Pfizer. And let's go down here. And you could, if you wanted, you could rebase it to, say, 100. So all three time series for Pfizer, Merck, and the S&P 500 start at 100. Or you could start at 0. You could start at the price itself. Let's do it to 100. That might be an interesting way to view it. Click Draw Chart. It now has all three time series here for the last 3 years on a daily basis. You could also, if you wanted to see here, this down arrow, Merck Pharmaceutical, like many companies, trades on a number of exchanges. By default, it goes to the major exchange for Merck, the primary exchange. Here is the New York Stock Exchange. But you can see that Merck also trades on a number of other exchanges around the world. So we could, if we wanted to, download the data for the stock from Munich. So you have a number of different options. It's very powerful. You could then, once you have the chart here, you can right-click, you can save the image, and then you can download it, rather than copy it into a Word document, your paper, for example. If you go into Report, which is another option, you can see here the stock price data here, and for open, the high, low, close, the volume, and you can see the change in the percentage change in the stock price. You could, if you wanted to, you can change this from 3 years out to 30 years, or you can set a specific time period. Again, you have daily, weekly, monthly, and you can download the entire series. So you could, if you wanted to, download 30 years worth of daily stock price data from Merck. So there's really a great deal of information here in this database, and as I say, it's at the Mergent Online database, available right through this link at the eLibrary homepage. So I wish you good luck with your research. Thank you.